Use the provided microfiber towel to thoroughly clean the screen. This will remove any dust, fingerprints, or body oils that will interfere with the adhesion of the screen protector. Since this film requires a wet application, liberally spray the provided solution onto the screen. You can then remove the screen protector from the paper backing and slide it into place on the screen. These are produced to be an exact fit, so it shouldn't be too difficult. When you're ready to apply, spray additional solution to the rear of the screen protector. This will promote greater adhesion. Additionally, spray some solution on the face of the screen protector. This will allow the squeegee to glide much easier. Gently glide the squeegee across the surface to evacuate all of the solution. You may still notice a few remaining water bubbles, but those will dissipate in a few days. Lastly, use the provided microfiber towel to clean up any residual solution that may remain on the surface of the screen protector and admire your work. So I apologize for the beeping from the truck, but yeah, optimal clarity. Feels really smooth. And I like it. Repeat the same process to apply the 2 pieces of film provided for the instrument cluster. Don't be afraid if this film appears slightly oversized. It's manufactured like that on purpose to tuck behind the trim for a seamless install. Oh yeah, it looks really nice, really clear. Again, if you see any of the water bubbles, do not fear, you didn't screw it up. You just have to wait for that stuff to dry out. So I think it looks really good. Well, that is a wrap on the install. Super quick, super easy. You don't have to be a professional to install this product. Personally, I've installed screen protectors on my phones multiple times. I absolutely suck at it, but this was actually a pleasure to work with. So just to recap about the product, this is not a PPF. This is a film specifically designed for electronic screens. It will not yellow. It protects against dust, fingerprints, and scratches. It has a nice gloss look to it, so your screen will look like brand new, shiny glass. Speaking of brand new, shiny glass, if your screen has blemishes or imperfections in it, this will actually make it look brand spanking new. It hides all those blemishes, so you'll be happy knowing that your screen looks brand spanking new. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to let me know with a big thumbs up. Also, be sure to subscribe for new videos every single week. Be sure to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. The links for all those will be in the video description down below. And until my next video, take care and be safe. Peace.